Students, good morning. This is Mr. Novacek, and I just wanted to take a second and say congratulations and thank you for all you've done for our Give a Hoot so far this year. We're excited to celebrate today with all of you. A couple things that I wanted to speak with you about and remind you. Number one, we will have a bunch of elementary students in our school today. We'll have some dignitaries also in our school today. You've done a great job of being respectful and being supportive of all of our assemblies so far this year. And I'm excited and hopeful that you'll continue to do that and set a good example for our young visitors on what it means to be an owl here at Olathe West. Lastly, I wanted to tell you that as we finish up our Give a Hoot Assembly today, we will sing the alma mater, and it would mean a lot to everyone in the school if everyone stood, sang the alma mater under the direction of Coach V. And we don't need to be too cool for school, so everybody stand up, sing the alma mater, and have a good time. We're excited to celebrate everything that you've done, your teachers have done, all the hard work that you've put in to Give a Hoot. We look forward to a great assembly. We have a hashtag on Twitter, hashtag OW Give a Hoot. So if you take a picture and you tweet it out during the assembly, you'll be entered into a drawing for some prizes next week during finals. You'll be dismissed by your advisory, so listen to the announcements. Again, thank you for all you've done for our Give a Hoot, and let's go have a great assembly.